Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. It has been over 2 months since I last touched this guy. I will tell you I tried it before starting this video because I wasn't sure if it was gonna be time to bottle or not. Yes, I still have old labels. Someone did tell me how to remove them though, so I do know how. I just need some OxyClean. Lots of Blackheath meadery bottles because it is my local meadery. I love them. They are great. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna bottle it. I think it needs some time because right now the Bochet doesn't taste very Bochet-y and the elderberries don't taste very elderberry-y. I think it's just gonna take a good amount of time for all of those flavors to settle out. Even though I started this in December, it is now the end of May. You know, some meads just, they really do need some time. I don't want to continue messing with it just in case. I will try it again though for you just because I think, you know, the tasting video isn't going to come out for a few months. So I'm going to go ahead and rack this. Everything has been fully sanitized. That's why there's bubbles on everything. Now this mead is so dark. It's very difficult to see through. Why are you like this? Stop. I don't want my whole mead to be aerated. Do I need a new racking cane or something? Okay, well, I guess that's all the meat I'm gonna get out of this because at this point, I'm gonna start sucking up lease. I'm pretty annoyed with this racking cane right now. I'm just gonna work on bottling this. So I have quite a few 375 milliliter bottles here. This is an absolutely gorgeous color and it's clear, which is great. I love the clarity. I love clarity happening naturally. Is the best. I mean, I can't see anything in here. Oh, this is very dark. This is like a very, very dark mead. The smell is very nice. You can pick up the black currant really well. Well, not really well, but it's there. It's like on the top. It just smells really good. It just does. The flavor, on the other hand, you do get the black currant because it's just this really lovely tart sweetness that like lays on the top, but underneath it's all this like weird kind of malt flavor, which is like the elderberry and the Bochet kind of just melded together. Like I can't really pull out the elderberry right now. Yeah, I can't really pull that apart. So this needs time. It needs quite a bit of time to really become itself. I'm not going to do a tasting for this for a while. As you know, I like to wait at least 3 months before I do a tasting video, just to be fair and give it some time. On a side note, I apologize if suddenly this video cuts. I should have apologized in the first place. The battery died on this lovely camera and might have missed some footage, don't know. I just had to reshoot this little piece. This is the only thing I could reshoot because everything's done. So I hope you didn't miss very much. Anyway, thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for watching this. If you haven't worked with elderberries, I recommend reading comments on both the first video and this one. I'm sure a lot of people will give feedback because, you know, there are a lot of mead makers out there who will watch my videos. They leave great feedback. Thank you, everyone. I do learn a lot from reading comments. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.